Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add a guest account in Windows 10. Open CMD in search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. NetSpace user. Space new quest. Space /add, space /active add. Guest user, new guest created successfully. NetSpace user space new quest space star. Type password for new guest. Next step is to remove NuGuest from local group. NetSpace local group. Space users space NuGuest. Space /delete. Next step is to add NuGuest to guests group. NetSpace local group. Space guests space new guest. Space /add. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.